Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Fakhruddin Pishauri, and you are watching our YouTube channel, Noon Islamic Center. In today's lesson, inshallah, we will read the second part of the Leen Letters. In first lesson, we read the first four lines of Leen Letters, and now we will read the last lines of Leen Letters. So I am reading for you, and you will read after me. Lam waw fatha law. Lam ya fatha lay. Law lay. Law lay. Yes. Now the noon one. Noon waw fatha now. Noon ya fatha nay. Now nay. Noon waw fatha now. Noon ya fatha nay. Now nay. Now this one. Hamza waw fatha aw. Hamza ya fatha ay. Aw ay. Ba waw fatha bow. Ba ya fatha bay. Bow bay. Jim waw fatha jaw. Jim ya fatha jay. Jaw jay. Ha waw fatha haw. Ha ya fatha hay. Haw hay. Kha waw fatha khaw. Kha ya fatha khay. Khaw khay. Ain waw fatha aw. Ain ya fatha ay. Aw ay. Ghain waw fatha ghaw. Ghain ya fatha ghay. Ghaw ghay. Fa waw fatha faw. Fa ya fatha fay. Faw fay. Qaf waw fatha qaw. Qaf ya fatha qay. Qaw qay. Kaf waw fatha kaw. Kaf ya fatha kay. Kaw kay. Now this one. Mim waw fatha maw. Mim ya fatha may. Maw may. Waw waw fatha waw. Waw ya fatha way. Waw way. Ha waw fatha haw. Ha ya fatha hay. Haw hay. Ya waw fatha yaw. Ya fatha yay. Yaw yay. Okay, so now I'm reading for you again one time. Lam waw fatha law. Lam ya fatha lay. Law lay. Noon waw fatha now. Noon ya fatha nay. Now nay. Hamza waw fatha aw. Hamza ya fatha ay. Aw ay. Ba waw fatha bow. Ba ya fatha bay. Bow bay. Jim waw fatha jaw. Jim ya fatha jay. Jaw jay. Ha waw fatha haw. Ha ya fatha hay. Haw hay. Kha waw fatha khaw. Kha ya fatha khay. Khaw khay. Ain waw fatha aw. Ain ya fatha ay. Aw ay. Ghain waw fatha ghaw. Ghain ya fatha ghay. Ghaw ghay. Fa waw fatha faw. Fa ya fatha fay. Faw fay. Qaf waw fatha qaw. قاف يا فتحة قي قو قي. كاف واو فتحة كو كاف يا فتحة كي كو كي. ميم واو فتحة مو ميم يا فتحة مي مو مي. واو واو فتحة وو واو يا فتحة وي وو وي. ها واو فتحة هو ها يا فتحة هي هو هي. يا واو فتحة يو يا فتحة يي يو يي. Okay, so it's enough for today. In next class, inshallah, we will start the new lesson. So now you will make practice on it and see you in next class, inshallah. Thank you. Jazakallah.
Noon Islamic Center presents Quran Reading Course, Tafsirul Quran, Noorani Qaida, Prayer in the Light of Quran and Sunnah, Tajweedul Quran Course, Basic Arabic Language Course, Teachings of the Holy Quran, Advanced Arabic Language, and much more fundamental courses. Register us now.